Welcome. Let's provide answer to this question under sequence and series. We are to find the number of terms contained in the arithmetic sequence 8, 11, 14, 17. This means that there are a lot of numbers in that range up to 104. You can take your time to find the common difference and keep on adding till we get there. But to be able to ease ourselves from that trouble, we know we have to use the formula. So by recall, we know that if I'm looking for number of terms, is equals to a plus n minus 1 times what? The common difference. The number of terms or the nth number of terms. So you can see here that we can easily tell the last number from here. This is used to find all the numbers. So if this is the last number, which is the end, we don't know. This one is the last number. We can use that as equals to what? The last number. Meaning the L equals to A plus n minus 1 times D, where we can easily say that our A is the first term of the sequence, is 8. The common difference is going to be the difference between two consecutive terms. So that will be 11 minus 8. That will give us what? 3. Then the L is also 104. So by substitution, I can have here to be 104 equals to 8. The number of terms I'm looking for is the n. So the n still maintain, then multiply by what? The common difference. I think I can bring this one here to have, okay, let's maintain that. 104 equals to 8. 3 times n, that will be 3n. 3 times minus 1, that will be minus 3. So when I compute this together, that will be 8 minus 3 plus 3n. So 104 will now be equals to 5 plus 3n. You know we have to group items, right? So 104 minus 5 equals to 3n. If you subtract 4 from here, we have 100 minus that. 99 equals to 3n. We need to clear the 3 by dividing through by 3. So 99 on 3 equals to 3n. 3n is going to be 33. So there are 33 terms here in the sequence. I guess the concept is clear. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.